Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Klaviyo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add a team member or an admin into your Klaviyo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like I am, you know that you work with a lot of different VAs or assistants to help you manage different parts of your business. And sometimes you need to add them into your Klaviyo to manage the SMS and also email marketing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Klaviyo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, you want to click on your company name down here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two menus, one across the top here and then one down here. You need to make sure it's clicked on account. Mine's already clicked on account automatically. And once you do that, you'll see this menu, and you want to click on users. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the admins and users that you have in your Klaviyo. You can see it's just me here. And in order to add a new user or an admin, click on add new user. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter that person's email address. Make sure you use the correct email because they will receive an invitation for them to sign up as an admin or a new user in your Klaviyo. Next, you can go ahead and choose the language if it's other than what you're already using. And then next you want to go ahead and choose the role. So there's quite a few different roles. If you need help choosing which role, go back and watch my other video that describes each one of these in detail. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose admin. Once you've entered this information, go ahead and click on add user. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person is added as an admin in my Klaviyo account. However, they don't have access to this Klaviyo until they accept the email invitation. Once they accept the email invitation, they would be added as an admin. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Klaviyo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.